Hey Tubes, figured I'd show you my new acquire here. It's a 1948 WMB. My uncle picked it up at the Leola, Pennsylvania auction for me. It's a clean little piece. My uncle's 805 Road King, if you guys were wondering. I haven't tried to start it really. All I do is put some gas on it. Maybe we'll see if it starts. Let's see here.
Can you hold it?
Yeah, here, hold that, Road King. Alright. See if we can get it running.
Let's try to stay out of your way here.
Choke it. Oh, think we got something.
Sounds like it wants to go. There we go.
Getting something. It's still gas.
Wow. You smell the varnish. Huh.
I think we got it, dude.
I'm surprised it started. You can smell the bad gas in there.
There you have it, dude. Runs pretty good. Briggs and Stratton WMB, 1948. Good little running engine. Can't believe how well it runs. Well, there you have it, tube.